Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a set of flat back earrings that are absolutely gorgeous, you're going to want to get these ones from Elf on the Ear.
As someone who has quite a few piercings in her ear, I have gone through a lot of trial and error to find what I like to wear. And I love these flatback earrings, and I love how small and dainty these are. I have pretty small ears, so I don't want my jewelry to be too overwhelming, and I really appreciate how well made these are. They are a threaded stud that has a flat back, so once you put them in, you don't have to worry about taking them out. You can sleep with these in and everything, and you're not going to have anything poking you in the head, which is my favorite part about them. Also, how these thread right in, so you're not going to worry about them falling out. They are going to stay put and look beautiful. I just love this set that they have curated. I think they're super cute. The snake is my favorite, and I can't say enough good things about these.
Stop sleeping in uncomfortable earrings and get this set from Elf on the Ear. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're going to stay in your ears and they're so comfortable. I love them, and that's my point of view.